Hi guys, good morning. This is Reina again. Welcome back to my channel. I got this Devon dehumidifier from Amazon.com. It's a thermoelectric and with humidistat. So it says right here, this is like um, there's a little instruction outside. As you can see, it says here full water tank indicator, and this is also the relative humidity up and down, and the power indicator, and the relative humidity display. So let's unbox this one. This is brand new. I just got this from Amazon. So here you go. So the packing is nice. They did it well. So this is the adapter. It's the AC adapter. So it says here input is like 100 and 240 volts. So efficiency level. So yeah, this is the adapter. It comes with the adapter, and this is the instruction manual inside. And so oh, here you go. This is the main thing right here. Okay, so they put it in styro in the bottom of it, so this make the item safety though. Here we go. It's nice and pretty. Well, in the back, this is the on and off button. Yep. Oh, and here you can see this. Oh, see, this is where you can refill the water. I think so. All right. So yeah. So I will install this afternoon in the house, so I'll let you know how it works. But anyway, if you would like to order, I attached the link in my Amazon down in this video. So yeah, you can just go to amazon.com. You can click the link below in my posting. And anyway, thank you for watching, and hope you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Never mind the feet.